I wanted to share some real game and some real knowledge to y'all. So watch this video to the end. It's not about how much money you make. It's about what you do with it. Listen to this video. Watch to the end. Put a like on this. I would rather be a person working at Walmart making $18 an hour, $30,000 a year, and no financial education than I'd rather be somebody making $40 an hour. I swear to God I would. That's making over $100,000 a year. That's financially dumb. Now, I'm finna give y'all two scenarios. I would not say no names. I would not say no genders. I would not say neither the or. But this person is 60 some years old. The other person is in their 30s. One person owned 2 buildings, 4 properties, 2 rental properties, and has a brand new house, a brand new car, and bought her children brand new cars. She's in her 30s. She make around $19 an hour. I know a 60-some-year-old lady. She bring home over $140,000 a year. Her checks be over $5,000 every month. She don't have her own home. Her car broke down, and she is struggling real bad. Now, which one would you rather make? $40,000 an hour? $40 an hour, or 18? $140,000 a year, or 30,000? But I'm here to tell you, that person that's making 30,000 a year got about 100 grand in their bank account. The one that's making 140,000 a year, I swear to God, they only got $200 because they asked me for 300. I cannot make this up. So it's all about money management. So this what my brain thought as being a smart entrepreneur. If the person that made 30,000 a year, $19 an hour, $18 an hour, was making the money that the ladies that's making $40,000 an hour, making over $140,000 a year, imagine where she would be at in life. So I said, if you can just make a way, I don't care if it's YouTube, I don't care if it's music, I don't care if it's a 9 to 5, I don't care what you're doing. If you can find a way to make over $100,000 a year and you know exactly what to do with it, you can become a millionaire in 2 to 3 years. You have to invest in yourself. But see, I'm going to tell y'all something that make a lot of sense, and I'm not going to hold y'all. I'm going to tell you that it's only one difference besides the obvious. One person is financially educated. The other one is financially educated. But one of them is using their degree in business administration. The other one just let it go out the window. But the main thing, one of them has a heart of gold. The other one has a heart of gold. But one of them makes sure that they go by business first. They don't give a fuck about how you feel about them. They gonna handle their business. The other one is a people pleaser. Even though she make less and she make more, I promise you, the lady that got the most, that's making the less, she wouldn't give a person hungry or a person that needed a ride if it was affecting her at all. Now, if she's not losing anything by it, she'll do it. She's a good-hearted person. But she won't do shit for nobody because she believes in keeping it all for herself. But the other lady, she got to make sure that everybody had the best of everything. She go without everything. So I can't make this up, you guys. One lady, the one that's making $19 an hour, she's finna buy her 3rd rental property. The lady that's making $40 an hour, over 140 grand a week, just asked me for $300 to help with her bills, and she'll pay me back later. So that's just a little explanation of it's not about how much you're making, it's about what you're doing with it. But it ain't about what you're doing with it, it's about how much you're making. So if you put up making a lot of money with learning what to do with your money and saving your money, you'll be a millionaire in a year or two. Now, with that said, something I want to tell y'all. I figured out something. Like the game cigars I smoked, two for 99 cents, they went up to 139. Sodas, $4.99 for a pack, now they went up to $5.29. You have to think about this. All of these companies that's increasing the price by 20 cents, let's just say 20 cents. If 20 million people spend 20 cents, that's millions of dollars in one day. You don't always have to have big numbers to win. A lot of little numbers add up. When the grocery store get these damn meats, let's just use meats. They get all these pork chops and chicken and ground beef. They don't expect it all to leave that day, but they know one by one it's gonna go. But with that said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll holler, gang.